Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra leak reveals the specs behind what could be this year's top Android flagship. A new Samsung Galaxy Note 20 leak has revealed the specs for the Galaxy Note 20 as well as some images and videos of the phone, and it looks like a pretty impressive flagship. Leakstar Ice Universe reveals various other leaks about the Galaxy Note 20 series in the past, but this spec reveal combined with what look to be the real-life images of the device is the biggest yet. The Note 20 Ultra compared to the Galaxy Note 10 Plus, the most fully featured version of the Note 10 series. We have heard many times that the Pen Stylus will be getting improvements, but there is no specific information on how yet. Last year we saw the introduction of Air Gesture, which made the stylus a remote control for the camera and let users perform actions by waving it around. So we would imagine Samsung going to build on this in some way. As for the camera upgrades, we have heard that the rear camera of the Note 20 Ultra will be enhanced by a laser depth sensor. This will hopefully help the 108 megapixel camera that's also rumored to appear on the Note 20 Ultra. Since its first appearance for Samsung on the Galaxy S20 Ultra was marred by autofocusing problems that made taking pictures difficult for many users. The leakster also mentions the Note 20 Ultra uses a Snapdragon 865 Plus processor. It was once thought that the Snapdragon 865 chipset that's powered almost all Android flagship this year wouldn't get a Plus version. However, Ice Universe seems convinced that there will be such a chipset. So you should expect higher peak performance from the Note 20 Ultra. Ice Universe says that the screen will have simultaneous QHD resolutions and a 120Hz refresh rate. This improvement is likely achieved by the rumored use of an LTPO display, a new display technology that allows much greater power efficiency by dynamically changing the refresh rate from anywhere between 1Hz and the maximum 120Hz. Since 120Hz displays are notorious for their power consumption. Ice Universe tweet also discussed how the size of the Note 20 Ultra compares to the Note 10 Plus. It is all good news by the looks, with shrunken bezel on all sides, a smaller punch hole for the selfie camera and decreased body depth. There is no mention of battery or charging specs in this most recent set of rumors, but the standard Note 20 is thought to have a 4000 mAh battery, while the Note 20 Ultra will have either a 4500 mAh or 5000 mAh capacity. We are expecting 25-watt charging for both models, but the Note 20 Ultra may be capable of using Samsung sold separately 45-watt power block for even faster charging. We have to keep in mind that all these speculations may not be 100% on point. For the final specs, we have to wait till the official release of the devices. So what are your thoughts on the specs? Do let us know in the comment section. And if you are new to this channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon for latest updates. Peace.